do what I want to.
Compton. I do.
I do what I want.
I do what I wanna.
I do what I want.
Hey subbies, thanks for tuning in to another tutorial today. Now I want you guys to zoom in on this natural hair, okay? I have so many people in my comments below asking me, oh, I don't have a relaxer, or you don't need a relaxer, baby girl. Sit back, watch this tutorial. Let me show you how I straighten these edges and give you baby hairs like you just got your hair relaxed. Stay tuned for this jumbo big braid.
I do what I want.
I be flexing with your bitch, nigga. Hey, trying to get rich, nigga. Hey, tell her use a lips, nigga. Ooh, how my buddy hoe.
I do what I want.
I do me and you are you, nigga. And you can't tell me who the screw, nigga. Who we getting money?
I do.
You can't tell me shit, nigga, because
I do what I want. I do what I want when I want. All I roll is Ross, nigga. I don't roll blunts, and she want it so raw. Always reaching for my joint, and my bitch is so bad, make your bitches look trashy. My ladies is classy, your ladies can pass me. Pop her on the hand if the bum bitch try to grab me. Shove it down her throat if she keep talking so nasty. Play haters hate when I taunt, they try to flag me. Oh, I'm so gone, I go so deep, yeah. I'm running new routes, call me Mr. Complete, yeah. I'm drawing the plays that can stop, it's like I cheat. And I'm trying to run a score up to show I can't be beat. I do what I want now, and we be having so much fun. Oh, until she having too much fun. Wait, and fuck around and fall in love.
I be flexing with your bitch, nigga. Hey, trying to get rich, nigga. Hey, tell her use a lips, nigga. Ooh, how my buddy hoe.
I do what I want.
I do me and you are you, nigga. And you can't tell me who the screw, nigga. Who we getting money?
I do.
You can't tell me shit, nigga, because
I do what I want.
I do what I want when I want. All I roll is straw, nigga. I don't roll blunts. I won't hit her from the back, but I might hit her from the front. Cause she ain't got no ass, so I ain't trying to front. Ay, she got so much class, so she ain't worried about nothing. Fuck all my game type, but content my buzzing. I won't do what fuck, she just wanted to fuck me. Why did I lie to her? She wasn't trying to hear nothing. Made it back then, I came back like I had left something, nigga, but I didn't know. I want the best for my nigga, nothing left for my nigga, swear that we won't fall. Hold up, wait, Paul. I tried not to break her, she gave me her jaws. She allergic to her panties, told that bitch take them off. Get that bitch hard body, cause I'm allergic to salt. I be flexing with your bitch, nigga. Hey, tryna get rich, nigga. Hey, tell her use her lips, nigga. Ooh, how my buddy hoe clip, nigga. I do me and you are you, nigga. And you can't tell me who the screw, nigga. Who we getting money?
I do.
You can't tell me shit, nigga, because
I do what I want.
J12 Beats.
J12 Beats.
Let's get into this jumbo motherfucking braid, period. Okay? edges on fleek. I'm sorry. If you guys would like to purchase this product, please click the link in the description box. You also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification. Also follow me on all social media platforms. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys learned something, if not nothing.